Hey YouTube, how you guys doing today? My name is John Artsberger. Welcome to From Failure to Freedom. And on my channel, I actually help people learn how to make money online. I do that with affiliate marketing, Forex, e-commerce, drop shipping, digital marketing. I teach people for free, basically right here on YouTube. So you'll never have to pay me a penny. You can just go through my channel and use my trainings, my courses to your benefit. And one thing about me that's different than other people that, the people that sell those $3,000 courses that never work, my courses work. My training works. It's step by step. Instead of just throwing a bunch of information at you and hoping that it sticks, I actually show you exactly how to do it step by step, exactly how I'm doing it every single day and how I'm successful with it. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I've run multiple 6-figure drop shipping and e-commerce stores. I've been around the online space for 10 years doing this, and on my channel, that's what I try to portray. I try to give you knowledge so that you can learn how to do this for yourself. So that being said, we're going to hop over to my YouTube for a second so I can show you how it's set up and how you can benefit from it. All right, everybody. So if you're new to my channel, you've never seen how it's set up, let me just show you so that you know how to use it to your benefit, how you can go through it and actually start learning how to earn with it, right? So if you're on my homepage right here on YouTube and you scroll down, you can see playlists. These are called playlists, right? Now, these are actually courses. I've set them up for you to follow along with step by step. For example, this is a high-ticket affiliate marketing training. The platform that we go through in that training earns me 7 figures every year by itself. It's a really, really good affiliate marketing training. So it basically breaks down affiliate marketing on a level that you're going to understand it. Again, you have to put in the work, but I'll show you exactly how I do it every day to be successful, and you guys can follow along with it. We have a couple other affiliate programs as well, but today we're actually talking about our Forex program. Now, a couple years ago, I got into Forex, and I was trying to find a way to automate it for people over the last couple years so that they can benefit from the trading that I'm doing, because I earn a lot of money with it. So actually earlier this year, about a year ago, we developed software that you can plug your Forex account into. Now, this is completely hands-off. You don't have to touch anything. You just set up your account, link it to our trading account, and we do the trading for you. It's really, really easy to set up. Takes, half an hour to get set up and going. And then you can just sit back and actually collect the income on it. So we're going to talk about that a little bit, just because I know Forex is kind of a scary word for people. And I think that's because it's been abused online. When people think of Forex, usually the big Forex gurus are really, really bad for this. Usually, probably because they're trying to sell a course or trying to, gain some clout. So they lie to people about how Forex really works. When you start out in Forex, it's a miserable journey, okay, trying to do it yourself. That's why we actually employ professional Forex traders that have been trading in the industry for the last 20 years. They've been trading forever. They're really, really good at it. But furthermore, our software for trading, you actually see the data live. You can track exactly what we're doing. Actually, I'm going to pull it up for you really quick here just to show you what it looks like so that you guys can have access and kind of check it out. So right here is the Millionaire Maker. If you click on that view signal, you can see the growth on the account, what it is. We've been running this publicly since January. Privately, we had other clients. I have coaching clients in that go through affiliate marketing. They've been working with this for about 8 months now inside of this, as we were growing it. Then we released publicly a few months ago. You can see back here in January is when we started, and you can kind of see how it goes. Now, the one thing to talk about Forex, the way that we use this is like an investment account. We're not trying to take, $500 and blow that up to $1 million in a month, because you're going to blow your account. That's the problem with what people are trying to do with Forex. They think that Forex is a get-rich-quick scheme. There's no way to get rich quick. If you try, you're going to lose all your money, and I don't care what anybody says. The other problem that people face online with Forex is automations, right? It's really hard to automate Forex. And you can't do it with a bot. If you've heard that you can, I'm sorry, you cannot. We've tested bots. We've built bots. We've tested probably every bot that there is online just to see what they're doing, right, with their bots. There is no way to automate this with bots. It just doesn't work, because let's say it's going really smoothly. You can kind of automate the patterns, with AI and stuff like that that's being traded. But the problem is when something happens in the news, it flattens it out. You'll lose your account. You can take 6 months growing an account with an algo bot that's doing really well, but the second there's bad news, it could blow that whole account that you've worked for. So this is, that's not what we use it for. We have real people trading this that have been trading forever. They trade hundreds of millions of dollars every single day. They know what they're doing, but the benefit is we don't have any automations. We don't have anybody, we don't plug you into some machine. Literally all that this is our software. You add your account. We don't even have access to your broker account. You just add your account to this and we do the trading, and it links our accounts directly to yours, like interlinks them so that the second our trades take place, they're forwarded to your account. And we charge a very cheap fee for this for people to get into. So you can actually check it here if you go to myfreedomfx.com. Let me just pull that up for you to show you first. If you go to myfreedomfx.com, you're going to come to this page here. There'll be a little video if it ever loads here. Right here, that's going to be me talking on there. You guys can watch that. I'm not sure why my internet's kind of acting up today, but that's me right there. You can kind of watch it. I explain it. I explain what it is, so that's a good video to watch, but I'm going to tell you right now anyway. All you have to do is create an account right here. Just click create an account. And then once you got one, you can log in, and this is going to take you to a tutorial that kind of talks a little bit more about what this is. Just open that up. Look for the millionaire maker signal. So what we're actually doing with this account is taking it from $2,500 up to $1 million over the next 3 years is our goal. I think we're going to get there a lot faster, but good to manage your expectations. I'm going to explain to you how we use Forex as well, and the correct way that you should be using Forex. Forex is just the foreign exchange market. So it's just money's being exchanged across the world, right? And you can trade against it. So it works really, really well. It also has higher leveraged accounts than your typical stock trading, which means you can earn more, all right, if you're careful. Now, all of our trades on these accounts have stop losses. All of them have take profits. The equity is monitored and managed. We've built a software that you guys link into and have all of the data of all of the trades that are taking place. You can see everything that's happening on the accounts all the time. So you can even go there right now and see it. Just go to app.myfreedomfx.com and you can click on the signal. You'll see all of the trades that we're doing. So right here, you can see the win percentage, 71% win rate. Loss rate is 28% because there's going to be losses. There's no getting around it, but you can see right here kind of on a monthly what we're hitting for percentages. Of course, we're going to have a bad month every once in a while, but we more than balance that out. We go far above what we're losing all the time. So you're not going to actually there's no way for you to blow your account with this is what I'm saying. You're going to have ups and downs, but let me give you an example, because I think people don't really understand how investments work. So let's say that you're working at a company, right, for however long, maybe you're working there for 30 years or something like that, and you're investing in an IRA every month. Let's say you're putting, a couple $100 of your money into an IRA. Now, you just think of it as an investor that, that account is growing and, in 30 years, I'll be able to pull out $1 million. That's kind of how your mind works, but you don't see what's happening with it daily. On a daily basis, let's say you enter your money right here. On a daily basis, your account is going like this. It's going up and down, and these are wins and losses in the market, because that's what an IRA is. It's the same exact thing. It's being traded just like this. So over 30 years, as long as you're maintaining this upward momentum, you might have $1 million sitting there. Now, with Forex and with the software that we use, we can be there a lot faster. We can, I would probably feel comfortable saying that if we had a $5,000 account, we may be able to push that to $1 million in as little as a year or two. But we're aiming for 3 years, and that's what this series is right here that I wanted to talk to you guys about, or turn $1,000 into $1 million. This series is based on this trading platform, okay? And every day I'm going through and I'm updating this. I'm updating it with our, what we're earning that day. And I'm going to show you what we earn. I'm going to show you what we lose. But I want you guys to kind of pay attention and see where we're at and how we're growing so that you can kind of have a good understanding of how this works. Now, the way I can show you kind of with some numbers how this will look like for you, okay? Now, the minimum that you can put in these accounts starting out, I would suggest the minimum be $500. you have access, and you can put in, I would suggest a minimum of $500. Now, the next question I keep getting asked is, when can we pull out money? You have access to the money. This is your broker account. We don't have access to your money. We don't have access to your broker account. This is a legitimate broker account that you're having your money in. We're just trading it with your trading account. So we don't have access to any of your information. You can take your money out whenever you want, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can withdraw money. You can put more money in. It's your broker. It's your account. We show you how to set it up on myfreedomfx.com. You go through here, we show you the broker that we use, how you guys can get set up with the broker, and it's super easy to put money in. It's easy to take money out. Anyway, so let's just say that you started this account with $2,500, and we're going to go on the low side of things right now, just so you guys have an explanation of, what to expect, a good expectation. We're going to set good expectations. Okay. So $2,500, let's times that by 1.15, which is 15%. And let's do that for 12 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now this is on the low side of things, okay? The low side of things. Let's say over 12 months, that $2,500 will turn into $13,000. But something else is happening here that you're not really seeing. There's a compounding effect, okay? So as your money starts to grow in those accounts, the trades, the equity in your account is growing rapidly because the trades are actually getting larger. So the more money in the account, the more profit you're making per trade. Okay, so let's look at another 12 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is basically 2 years on a $2,500 account at our absolute minimum that I would say that we're going to be hitting on average, okay? So $71,000 on a $2,500 account within 2 years. Let's look at it after another year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can see how fast this is starting to grow on just a $2,500 account. Let's look at it another year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 years, your $2,500 account has now grown to $2 million. There is no other investment that you can use other than it. This is why people are flocking to Forex. The problem is the gurus, the Forex gurus online have all been trying to sell courses or sell memberships or sell trading bots that don't work. And they're not telling you that this is a long-term investment. This is how you grow a trading account. This is what you're trying to do when you're trading. You're trying to invest. This is an investment. So it's a long-term investment. It's not short like they say, but it's not nearly as long as a typical investment like an IRA or something like that. But this is a semi-long investment, but you can still see on a $2,500 account, 4 years, you're going to have $2 million sitting in that account, roughly. And it's probably going to be a lot more than that, but I want to manage your expectations in a way that you can feel good about every trade that's happening, okay? And there's going to be ups and downs. We might have a month where we hit 100% growth. We might take a $10,000 account, flip that to a $20,000 account in a month, and then the next month we might lose $3,000 on it. But we're never going to go lower than what you have. We're never going to lose the money on your account. Your account is always going to be going up like this, just like a typical investment account, like an IRA. You're going to see the exact same growth with our accounts. Now, where are we at right now? We are at, let's just add the balance for today so that you guys can see where we're at today. We're at $9,556 balance today, where our growth is 115% right now. And what you guys can do is go back to this first video here on YouTube and watch them from day 1 through whatever day you get on. Right now we're on day 2 because I just wanted to start putting this out in a series. But I'm going to be continuing this for the foreseeable future. I'm going to try to do 3 to 5 videos per week with these so that I can update you on what's happening with the accounts, just so you can watch it over time. And we'll continue this all year long. We'll keep pushing these. I'll probably continue it forever just to show you how well we're doing and where we're at on a kind of semi-daily basis. But watch that first video. You can see what we were at that day. We just had on a $5,000 account. We just had a $1,700 win day the other day. Now, again, you guys have access to these accounts. Now, we started this with $2,500 in here. It was growing, and I started bumping it up too. I would add money in periodically until it got up to $5,000. Once it got up to $5,000, we just were leaving it alone from there. We're not adding any more money to this. I just wanted to get it to that $5,000 point quickly so that you guys could start seeing how fast it compounds with a larger amount of investment. Now, it still works fine with a, say a $500. If you have $500, our fees for trading are very low. I mean, they're less than $100 a month to trade these accounts. We don't take any profit. You get the profit. You're just using our software, okay, to link it to our accounts, which is real people trading them, by the way, as I said before. So very cheap to use. On a $500 account, you'll at least be making profit every month. So that's why I said 500 is a good number to put in there. But still, if you're going to invest maybe 250, and then the next month you'll put in another 250, and the next month another 250, what your goal should be is to get this account up to $5,000 as quickly as possible. Once it's there, it's going to start growing a lot quicker, okay? Or to even $10,000 over the next 6 months or something like that by just adding a small amount. Let me show you the difference between, you remember how long it took for the $2,500 account to get to $2 million, which was 4 years. But let's look on a $5,000 account. Let's times that by 1.15, which is 15%, which is very low. I'm telling you, 15% is our low goal, if you will. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. On that $5,000 account, after 12 months, we are at $26,000. And you can already see, just after a couple months here, this $5,000 account is already almost doubled. It was just under $5,000 what we put in there, but you can see that it was just doubled. It's going to grow a lot faster than this, but again, I really want to manage your expectations correctly. So let's look at another 12 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And let's look at another. So that's 2 years. Let's look at another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. At 3 years, you're at $750,000. Now let's look at another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're double, literally double. Of course you would be, because you're putting double the money in. But you can see my point here. It grows a lot faster as these accounts get more money into them. So we're trying, what I would push people for, I would suggest, my suggestion, go try to put whatever you can in, but slowly start adding to it. Just like you would do an IRA with your work, or an RRSP or something, where they take your money out every month, right? But you're making the smallest gains in the world. I mean, 3% possibly in a year on your RRSPs and stuff. I mean, it's just horrible gains. I mean, it's why saving money doesn't work anymore. It just doesn't. Not with how fast the economy is. Our economy is in horrible shape, by the way, right now. But the point is, our expenses and our cost of living is skyrocketing faster than what we can handle it as people. You can tell now. When I was a kid, my dad bought a house for $115,000. That same house now is worth over $550,000, and it's only a 4-bedroom house. Who in the world can afford that nowadays, unless you're working and doing things that, like what I'm doing online, right? Online work. That's why everybody's turning to the online world, so that they can actually start making enough money to live and do the things they want to do. That's why I did it. I was in the oil field for a long time. I made good money, but nothing like what I make online. You know what I mean? So yeah, anyway, this is how it should be looked at. So I would suggest to people, put in what you can, but try to keep adding to it until it gets up to that $5,000 point, so that it can start going, pretty quickly. Once you get this to 20 grand, it is going to ramp up fast, right? So let's just look at 20 grand real quick. So 20,000 times 1.15, and let's do 12 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, over $100,000 at the end of the first year. Now let's look at another 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Almost $500,000 at the end of 2 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $3 million at the end of 3 years. And this is, I'm telling you right now, this is kind of a low projection that I want you guys to kind of keep in mind roughly when you guys are going through this process. But the thing to understand here is there's going to be ups and downs. There's going to be months. There's months in the market that are just not great months for trading. So we take it very slow. We try to keep things on during those months. Everybody knows when those months are if you've been trading for a while, but some months, like such as Christmas, for example, December can be a bad month sometimes. So we'll just we slow it down. We slow down what we're doing. We make sure that we're really paying attention to everything. Our traders handle it. I mean, they've been doing this forever. So anyway, I just wanted to update the video for today. So there you guys go. Update for today. Our balance is 9,556.69. Okay, that'll be the update for today. I'm gonna post another video. Probably won't be tomorrow because tomorrow's Saturday, right? Yeah, it's Friday today, I think, and so the market will be closed during the weekend. Forex market closes over the weekend, so we only trade Sunday night to Friday. And sometimes we don't even trade on Friday just because it's about to close. We don't want to have a bunch of open trades during the weekend, especially at certain times. But anyway, that's the update for today. I'll continue on with this next week. You guys can kind of see where we're at, follow along. If you guys have any questions, shoot me a text at the number below. That's my cell phone. I put it on here to help anybody out if they have any questions. And if you guys want to get started, you want to check it out and go jump into it, just click into the video that you're watching. Go down to the video description and the link's right here, myfreedomfx.com. Sign up there. It's free to sign up and check it out, and go get set up. Follow the tutorial. It's super easy to use. It's just this right here. It only takes a couple minutes. Some of these the longest video is 10 minutes right here. That's the first video. The rest are like a minute or two. Minute 36 seconds. Minute 53. So they're really easy it's really easy to use. We also have 24-hour support if you need help. You see this little help tab right here. You guys can access them right in our software here, and you'll get help if you need it. But that being said, just wanted to update you guys for the day. If you have any questions, reach out. Hey, if you guys are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, and make sure that you smash the bell icon so that you're notified when my next video drops. Then you'll be able to watch it. And if you guys like this video, if you got anything out of it, if you have any questions, comment, let me know. But if you like this video, leave me a like on it. I would appreciate that big time. And I'll see you guys in the next video.